Monitor stands are cool. They, let your monitor stand. But this monitor stand takes it to another level. I'll explain why, but first here's a super fast ad.
Introducing the Ordinary Desk Setup Contest. You go win a special edition autonomous smart desk with other great accessories. All you have to do is post a photo of your setup, even if it's super ordinary, in the Workspace Setup Addicts Facebook group. Be sure to write an engaging caption and include these 2 hashtags. Click the link in the description to learn more.
This is the LANQ PC Dock Pro Max. It retails for $329, but hold your horses. It's technically always on sale for $200, I'm pretty sure, I don't know. Why the hell would you want to spend $200 on a monitor stand when you could just put that money towards a better monitor or even a second display? Well, let me tell you. It features Touch ID, a built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth adapter, a wireless charging pad, a USB 3 hub, and built-in RGB lights. Woo! Sounds pretty cool, right? Well, for some of you, no, it still doesn't sound cool. And at that price point, you'd rather use the box that came with your monitor as a stand. And I get it. Some people prefer monitor arms, wall mounting, or even nothing at all. Straight up butt naked. But for those still intrigued, let me quickly cover the features and my thoughts. I'll be quick. First off, fingerprint ID. Woo, look at this. Boom. Yeah, it works great. The USB hub? Yeah, it's great to have it built into the side like this. Did you say Wi-Fi? Yeah, it's nice if you need it, of course, but most people don't. Same goes for Bluetooth. It's great that they added it, but some people don't even need it. How about wireless charging? You know what? It's actually one of the best features of this, and I actually think it's super useful. It's 15 watts with Qi charging, so there you go. And then of course, the LEDs. I don't care what you think, this is a must. It's such an easy way to add 50 FPS to any game. But listen, I'm not here to read off the specs from their website. If you want to know dimensions and all that fun stuff, click the link in the description. I'm just here to tell you what I do and do not like, as well as if I think you should buy one. So here we go. I like how easy it is to assemble, how clean everything looks underneath, the location of the ports, how sturdy it is, the fact that it includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth adapters for those less fortunate, and that they didn't use super cheap LEDs. What I don't like is that my fingerprints show up really easily, and I also don't like the price. The branding on top, although small, is also not something I want if I'm going to spend $200 on this. I'm sure there are some changes or additions that could really take this to the next level. Maybe ports on both sides, ports on the back, more powerful wireless charging, different finishes, and so on. And really, about the finish, if they offered it in something a little more premium, I think the price tag could be justified. And that's not to say $200 is extremely outrageous if you consider buying each of these things separately, but I think most people would rather put that money towards other upgrades. I could be wrong though, let me know in the comments what you think. And just to clarify, this version is for dual monitors, or if you prefer a really long stand, or if you are me and you want to use it for your 50-inch TV. They do have another version that fits one monitor and it costs $150. They also sell one that isn't a stand. It has everything except the RGB and it costs $100. It's actually pretty neat and kind of looks like an external hard drive. Anyways, link to learn more about this product is in the description. And with that said, I'm out.